Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix error code 8062 on a MacBook. Sometimes this error is triggered by special or unsupported characters in the file name. Make sure the file name does not have special characters like colon, question mark, star, or slash. If it does, simply rename the file to something simple like test123. If the error is still there, let's check the file permissions. Go to the file or folder that you're trying to move. Right-click on it and select Get Info. A new information panel will open on your screen. Scroll down to the bottom and find the Sharing and Permissions section. Here, click on the lock icon and then enter your MacBook password to make changes. Now check your username in the permissions list. Make sure it is set to read and write. This will give you permission to modify or move the file. Once done, close the panel and try moving the file again. And that's it. This is how you can fix error code 8062 on a MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.